back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to build mini Lego military vehicles. So this is part 5 of the series. The other 4 will be linked down in the description. It'll be in a playlist so you can watch all of them if you want to get caught up with all of them. But yeah, so let me show you all these closer up. Okay guys, so the first one is the tank right here. So the top can swivel around, just like really simply like that. And then the cannon on top just can also move up and down like that. And then on the bottom you can kind of see the treads right there and everything. And yeah, that's just what the tank looks like. The next one is the missile truck. So in the back right here, the thing can open, well, the missiles can go up and down. Then you stop right there, and then you can see everything else. Just got the front right there, the wheels on the bottom, and yeah, this is the missile truck. Next one is the Apache Helicopter. So the back rotor can spin right here, spin freely, and the top one can kind of spin. It's just got like, it doesn't really spin freely. You just gotta like move it on the stud pretty much. There's a lot of friction on it. And then the wheels at the bottom right there, there's just some studs with holes in them on a bar right there. And the window, yeah, this is what the helicopter looks like. This one is mini Lego Osprey. Lego actually made a Technic set of an Osprey, but it got like canceled. So this is just a miniature version of the same Osprey. So it's got like the propellers up here that spin on top of it, and then they can move like any direction you want. They can do full 360s. Then around the back, there's just the fin stuff back there. And yeah, you can kind of see the whole plane there. Now I'm going to show you how to build all of these, but if you want to build them like from instructions on my website, which will also be linked down below, I'll have instructions for all of these if you just want to build them on your own. And also my website has builds before the videos even come out sometimes, so if you want to just build stuff before my video comes out, there can be stuff on there. And also I have exclusive stuff on there that isn't anywhere else. So yeah, make sure to check out my website. These are all the parts you'll need for the tank. All the dark green pieces can be like any other color, well, any like other color if they want for the tank. But this piece right here, I'll pull it out for a second so you can see it. This piece in dark green is pretty rare, and if you don't have it, you can use like pretty much any color. It doesn't change much. You can't see it. You can only see it a little bit on the actual thing. Yeah, so pause the video right now, and these are all the pieces you'll need. So grab these and then build along. So to start off, you're gonna want to grab this 2x4 plate and then put 2 1x4 tiles just like this on it. Just take it off like that. And then get a 2x2 and a tile, and that just goes right there, and then 2 1x1 tiles will just go in these corners like that. Now you gotta put 2 more 2x4 plates just sideways like that, and then get this piece right here, and that will just go right there in the middle like that, and then you can put the vents on right there. And you can kind of look in the reflection and see where this has been scratching. It's pretty funny. It's a little circle right there. You might be able to see it. That's where it's been scratching. Okay, so next you're going to grab one of these pieces right here and put a 1x4 plate on it like that. And then put 3 of these round 1x2s on it like that, and then like that. So it should look like this. And then you're just going to make another one of these. So just put one of these on there like that, and then the 3 1x2s again, just on there like this, and then just set these off to this side. Grab the 1x4 brick, and then put a 1x4 plate on top and on bottom of it, and then get 1x1, well, 2 1x1s, and just put those on the edges of it like that, and then put a 1x2 Technic brick just right there in the middle, and then on the edges put these mini slopes just like that, and then put a 1x2 plate and a little like jumper plate right there. And then we're gonna make the cannon build real quick, so gotta grab this piece and then put that black piece on there just like that, and then the bar, the 1x3 bar, just goes right there, and then that attaches on like that. Now we're gonna put all the parts together. So you're gonna wanna grab the big base right here, and then these tread pieces will go on just on the middle part, so just like that. And then you're gonna wanna push these up inside of the plate, so you can kind of see how that's like to the plate, and then you just push it up in there so the stud stops. And then just do that with the other tank tread. So just put it on in the middle, and then push these up into the body like that, and then the top just snaps on there, and the vents go at the back, even though in most of this video I had the vents at the front. So these are all pieces you'll need for the missile truck right here. All of them are pretty easy to find, except these ones might be a little harder to find, but everything else not too hard to find. So find all these pieces and build along. Okay, so you're going to want to get the 2x8 plate and put a 2x2 just like on the end of it right there, and get a jumper plate and put that right there, and then just a vent, a grill piece, and then a 2x2 tile, and then just put a black clip on the end like that. Now you're just going to want to put another 2x2 plate on top of this one, so it just goes on right there, and then put this piece just hanging off the front like that, and then put a 1x2 tile just sitting right, like just have it sitting on top like that. Like, no, not like that. It's not going on right. Okay, there we go. Sitting on top like that, and then a 1x1 tile just goes on right there in that spot, and then a grill piece just goes on right there. Okay, so now you're just going to want to grab one of these right here, and that just goes on right there, just one of them translucent pieces, and then one of these on the bottom, and then just put two of these translucent mini slopes just facing down like that, and then just put a 1x2 mini slope on the bottom that's tan. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is grab these pieces and put studs on each side of them. So 2 black studs on each side. So just like this and like that, and then make another one the same way. So just 2 on each side, and like that, and like that. And then these pieces will just go on the tank. I mean, not in the tank, on the on this build, just like that. Okay, so now you grab this piece right here, and then on the bottom of it, just stack all 5 of these pieces, just like this, and just do all 5 of them. So just you stack all of them like that, and then last one just goes on right there, and then if you put this, we'll get the missile truck, and then attach it on the clip right there, and then it's on, and yeah, this is the missile truck. Okay, so these are all pieces you'll need for the helicopter. These 3 pieces right here are optional. They're just the radar thing that goes on top of the helicopter, so you don't necessarily need them, but pause the video right now, get pieces and build along. Okay, so grab the 1x6 like this, and then put this piece on top of it, just like that, and then get another 1x6, and that will just go on right there, like that. Okay, so now you're going to want to grab this Technic brick right here, and that will just go on right there, and put this 1x3 plate just hanging off the edge like that, and then put this vent, this like tilted vent, angled vent, and it goes right there, and then put this 1x4 tile on like that, and then this clip piece will just go on like that. Okay, so now you're going to want to grab this 1x1, just the stud, and then that goes on right there. Put this 1x3 plate sideways like that, and then put this 1x2 with the extra little clip on the side, just sideways like that, and then this vent, this angled vent will just go right there. Okay, so you're going to want to grab this piece right here and put a 1x2 underneath it like that, and then put this 1x2 over that, just like this, yeah, like that, and then put this piece just right there on it, and then this piece will just go over it like that, and then this one, and then this tile right there, and then this clip piece will just go right there. Okay, so now you're going to want to put the piece on, so just put it on there, and then just push it down like that. And then put this 1x1 plate just right there, and put 1x2 facing forward like that. So you're going to want to grab this piece right here and put this little curvy piece just over it like that, and then put this tile just over it like that, and then put this little black piece just facing up like that, and then this 1x2 plate just backwards like that, and that will just attach onto the side of the helicopter like that. And then you can want to another one, but the opposite, well, like mirrored. So put that on there and get the 1x4 tile, goes on right there, and this black piece goes right there again, and then the 1x2 plate, and then that will just go on the opposite way of the other one, so it just should snap on right there like that. So next you're going to want to put two 1x2 tiles just on the edges of that, just poking out like that, and then you're going to want to put these black pieces facing like that, like just like upside down, and just that on both sides. So it goes in that little technical, and they face upside down like that. Okay, so grab this piece right here and just put a stud on the bottom, and then put this cone piece like that, and then you're just going to make the exact same thing again. So put the cone on top, and then stud on the bottom, and then these pieces will just attach like this on the helicopter. So the cone piece will face forward, so they just attach like that. So you grab this piece right here, and then get one of these pieces and put it sideways like that, and then you're going to grab this piece right here, and that will just go on top of it, so like that, and then put the propeller on. Make sure it's straight right there, make sure it's straightish, yeah, like that. And then that propeller just goes on, and then the stud with the hole in it will just slide on like that, and then it can spin. And then you're going to want to put this piece, well, this build, and then that just clips on right there like that. Okay, so you're going to want to grab this piece right here and put a dark bluish gray stud on top of it like this, and put this bar just right there on it, and then put two black studs just so the gray goes like right to the end of them, and do that on both sides. So that goes on right there like that, and just slide it to the middle like that, and then this piece will just attach on right there. And now you're going to want to grab this piece right here, this one with studs on all sides, and that will just slide on, like not all the way, kind of like that, and then just do that on all the sides. So just like not all the way in, but just like slightly in. So do that on all the sides. Okay, last one. This one will just slide it on to like that. So that's what it should look like. And then this will just go on right there onto it like that. And then this next part is the optional part, but to build it, you just put this piece on top of that one, and then this little this little piece goes actually this way. I was putting it on the wrong way. This way, and then that just, attaches on the top like that. Remember, the little top part is optional, but yeah, now it's done. So these are all the pieces you'll need for the Osprey. Some of the harder ones to find will be like these two right here. They're the upside down curve pieces. I'll show them to you just in case you don't know what they are. They're these pieces right here, which are upside down pretty much. And then also a pretty hard piece to find might be this one right here. This type of piece, it's a little bump piece. Mini slopes can also be used instead of these if you don't have them. Mini slopes would probably be a little more common, well, probably a lot more common than that. But yeah, everything else, not too hard to find, but yeah, so pause the video, grab the pieces, and then build along. Grab this 2x8 right here and put two of these 1x4s with studs on the sides. Just put those right by each other like that, and then put this one right there, and then this one goes right there. Okay, so now you're going to want to get this, another one of these 2x8s, and that will just go on slightly off like that, and then put a 2x2 plate on it like that, and put this hangover piece right there, and this 2x3 plate, and then this 2x4 tile. Okay, so now you're going to want to get this piece and put these facing down on each side, and then put these things on each side like that, and then put the 2x2 tile in the middle, and then this will just go in the back like that. Okay, so you're going to want to put this piece with the 2 studs on the sides just facing down on the plane like that, and then this 1x2 like that on it, and then you're going to want to put this 2x2 plate just right there on top of them, and then this piece, this 1x2 down there, and this other 1x2 up there. Okay, so what you're going to want to do now is put this piece with studs on the sides, it will just go in right there, and put a plain one just on top of that, and then you put this little like 1x2 with translucent on top of, like above that one, and then this other one just goes underneath it, and then put this 2x2 plate on like that, and put the 2 mini slopes on just like that, and the same on the other side, so like that, and then put 2 1x2 plates on like that, and then put these curvy pieces sideways, or mini slopes if you're using mini slopes instead. Okay, so now you're going to want to grab 1x2 and put 2 of these pieces on top of it like that, and then do it again, build another one of those, and then make this go back right like that to the very back, so it goes back like that. So now what you're going to want to do is grab a 2x8 right here, and then put 2 of these curvy pieces just hanging over like that on each side, and then put 1x2s right there and right there, and put 2x4s, 2x4 tiles on each side like that. Now you're just going to want to add these pieces to both sides, so one of those on that side and this side, and then put a black Technic pin in each side. Make sure there's the friction pins too. Okay, so now you're going to want to grab this piece right here, and on top of that put 1x4, and then put this Technic brick on the back right there, and then put stack 2 1x1 plates just like that on it, and then put one of these upside down pieces just on it like that, and then put a 1x2 plate like that. And you're going to want to make 2 of these too. So let me make another one real quick. So I gotta get it like that, and then I stack 2 1x1s on top. It will go on, okay, like that, and then another one like that, and those just, and 1x4, Technic brick, and then a 1x2. Okay, so now you're going to want to, on each one of these, just put the propeller. So one of them has a propeller like that, and the other one also needs a propeller, so like that, and then put them on the friction pin like that, and then like that, and I think I'll zoom out real quick, yeah, so it should look like this, and then this piece, well, this will just go on top of those 4 studs on top, and then right here on the bottom, just put that 2x2 tile. And now it's done, and these things should face up like that, and there we go, now it's done. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. My other mini LEGO vehicles, remember they're down below in the description if you want to check those out. But as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.